Hello everyone! In today's video, I will show you how to verify your bank account in Webull so you can seamlessly fund your account for trading. So now let's dive in. First, you will need to log into your Webull account via the mobile app or website. So once you're in, navigate to the Transfer tab at the bottom of the screen or from the menu. In the transfer section, click on deposit and then choose link a bank account. You will be prompted to select your bank from a list of supported institutions. If your bank isn't listed, you can enter your banking details manually. Next, we will offer two methods for verifying your bank account: instant verification or micro deposit verification. If you choose to instant verify, you will need to enter your bank login credentials for Webull to quickly link and verify your account. For micro deposit verification, Webull will deposit two small amounts into your account. Now, if you choose the micro deposit method, wait for the Webull to deposit two small amounts, typically within 1 to 2 business days. And once you see these deposits in your bank account, return to the Webull app. Go to the transfer section and input the exact amounts to complete the verification. Now, after entering the micro deposit amounts or successfully completing instant verification, you will receive a confirmation message. Your bank account is now verified and you can start transferring funds to Webull for trading. And that is how you verify your bank account in Webull. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.